Turn the leg of the suit inside out and remove the tape from the seam that holds the sock. The heat press is set to 300 degrees Fahrenheit with a press time at 25 seconds. With the seam tape removed, we can remove the stitches holding the sock to the suit. Turn the sock right side out, then place it inside of the leg opening. Line up the seam on the leg between the two seams at the back of the sock. Fold the new seam down and begin taping. Overlap the end of the tape by 1 inch. Add a second row of tape above the first row. It should overlap the first row by about a ½ inch. Start the new row about halfway around the leg from the end of the first row. When finished, overlap the starting point by 1 inch.